Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In the previous videos, we learned about DEX expressions and their uses in Power BI. In this video, we will be talking about visualizations in Power BI. First, we will understand what visualization is. Then, we will see why is it important. Finally, we will walk you through some common types of visualizations in Power BI. Let's get started. When we go to the report view, in the visualization pane, we have multiple options of different graphs and charts using which we can customize our visualization. We have multiple options here. Now, let's understand what data visualization is. Data visualization is all about turning raw numbers into meaningful visuals like charts, graphs, and dashboards. Instead of going through endless tables, visuals help us to see patterns, trends, and comparisons quickly. Let's talk about the importance of data visualization. Data visualization is important because it simplifies complex data, it helps us identify trends and patterns, it supports better decision making, it improves communication with others, and of course, it saves time compared to long reports. Power BI gives us many visuals. Let's look at some of the most common ones. Card is a visual which shows a single key number clearly. The area chart is a visual which shows data trends over time with a field effect. Donut chart is a visual. It is like a pie chart but with a hole in the middle. The stacked column chart compares different categories in vertical bars. The pie chart divides a circle into slices for each category. The slicer is a visual which lets you filter reports easily with a click. The table is a visual which displays data in rows and columns just like Excel. Matrix is similar to a table, but it allows grouping by rows and columns. The tree map is a visual which shows data in rectangles where size and color represent values. And that's it. In the next video, we will explore our reports in Power BI. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.